Today, I'm going to walk you through the 3 promotional strategies that I see very few brands use, but in my experience, they generate the highest ROI. If you're new around here, my name is Josh Deschel, and I'm a fractional CMO with 12 plus years of experience helping brands just like yours to increase their sales online. Over these 12 years, I've generated 300 plus strategies that have generated millions of dollars in sales. Every Monday, I release a video that's 5 minutes or less that walks you through one of these 300 plus strategies. So the question is, will you trade 5 minutes for millions of dollars in sales? Let's find out. So one of the best promotional strategies that I use is hidden discounts. And put simply, you're just not going to showcase the actual discount that you're going to provide the consumer until they add items to their cart. So you send your email, your SMS, or you run advertising saying they can get X% off when they add 4 plus items to their cart. Now this can be item dependent or value dependent, it doesn't really matter, but it's really powerful in 2 ways. First of all, you're getting the user to actually take action. So they're taking all the steps they normally would to convert up to the last minute before they actually click and buy. Then they type in the coupon code. The second benefit is hopefully you have a really strong abandoned cart strategy. So now you get a second opportunity to allow them to convert if they don't convert in that first moment. So again, this is one of the most powerful promotional strategies that I utilize that has the highest ROI. The second most powerful promotional strategy is limited time tiered discounts. Now these are hugely powerful because what you're gonna do is add urgency to your offer. So say you're gonna run a 20% off deal. You run 20% off from noon to 1 o'clock, and then after 1 o'clock, it drops down to 15%. And then you run that for another hour, and then after that, maybe you drop it down to 10%. The whole idea here is you really want to build some urgency into that promotion so that they take action within that first hour and they don't ignore your email or SMS or advertisement, but they actually take action right then and there. The last strategy that I use that has the highest ROI is progressive discounts. Put simply, the more they spend, the more they save. And this is a great way to increase average order value, increase customer lifetime value, and increase revenue overall. All you're gonna do is say if you have 3 plus items, you get 10% off, 4, 5, 15, 6 plus items, 20%. And again, this can be total quantity of items put into the cart or total value. So you could have 20% off 100, 25% off 150, $200. It doesn't really matter. It's however it applies to your brand, but this is the best way to increase average order value and increase customer lifetime value and increase ROI overall. As a bonus, I use this with every single client I have. You always want to extend offers. In my experience, a lot of the brands I work with, they actually get a higher return on the follow-up offers than they do on the initial. So let's say your deal ran on Monday and you did a progressive discount. On Tuesday or Wednesday, email all the audience that didn't convert that you originally sent to and send them a last chance offer and give them the same offer from the initial deal. And in my experience, I see sometimes a higher rate of conversion on that follow-up because you're building that urgency in. So always extend offers, send it a couple days later, and see the success that you get. And that's it. Those are the 3 promotional strategies that I use with every single client that I work with. So take these strategies, utilize them, and increase your return on investment. If you like these videos, I highly encourage you to subscribe so you don't miss next week's video. I'll see you then.